Hi and welcome to another video at BooksGenie.ai. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new puzzle type, which is the number link. Number link is a new addition that we have released recently. So in this video I'm just going to show you how you can create it and what is number link to begin with. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to create a project. So let's go ahead and create one. You can either start from scratch by defining all the properties of your book, or you can use one of the pre-configurations. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to go and use the puzzle book here, which is a 6 by 9 inch black and white book. And I'm going to use this one as under the title, number link puzzles. For the number of pages, you can change it, you can leave it, because later on you can also add or remove pages, so that's not really a big deal, but I think 120 page book is reasonable. So let's go ahead and click on next. This is just a recap of all the configurations that we have selected for our book, and this should be like similar to what you select when you upload the book at Amazon in Amazon KDP. Click on create the project. The project is then created and opened in the book editor. And to create link number puzzles, number link puzzles, we can just go ahead to our AI magic tool. And if we scroll down, you can see now our new number link puzzle creation wizard. So you just click on this, and similar to all of our puzzle creations, which is very straightforward and simple to use, the first thing you want to do is choose a difficulty level. So you're going to use, in this case, medium, and then a grid of 15 by 15. You can always change the title of the puzzles. So for me, I would just leave it to number link here and click on next. Now I will basically choose 3 pages. And now we're going to select the solutions, where we are going to put the solutions of these puzzles. If you are creating a book to upload to Amazon KDP, it's generally advised to place the solutions at the end of the book, not right after the puzzle. But for the sake of this demo, I'm just gonna place them here as well. So you click on generate. And as you can see, this is our number link puzzle created. We have different numbers here, and then we go to the second one, we go to the third one, and now the solutions for the puzzle number 1 is this one. As you can see, we have all the links of similar numbers being presented here. As you can see, all of our numbers are linked, and they are using the full grid. So this is actually puzzles that are unique, and they have like a unique solution, and they are always different from one puzzle to the other. So this is our third, and this is like the third solution, and this is the second solution for the second puzzle. You can, as always, customize the look and feel of our puzzles here. So if I select this one, you can actually choose the font for the numbers. You can choose the font size as well, and you can also change the grid color. So I can, for example, put it as orange if I want to, or I can put it as dark, or put it to how it was, like light gray. As you can see, we have this toggle here which says colorful. So if you are creating a book that is using a colorful pages, you can leave it as it is, but you can always turn that off. So if you do colorful off, you can see that now it's actually becoming black and white puzzle, which is great for a black and white book. But actually, even if you have colorful, and then when you print this in a black and white color, these colors will always be like kind of black as well. But if you want to be if you want to have like black and white only, you can always remove the colors here. And what it does, it actually create like a black and then shade of kind of black. I'm not sure if you are seeing it, if it's visible on the video or not, but you can see a little shade of these different numbers. And same for the solution, you can always turn off the colors as well and do similar customizations. Similar to our puzzles, you don't have to repeat yourself and do all of these customization like one by one. Instead, you work on one of the puzzles. When you are happy with the look, you can just right click on that and do apply to similar. What this feature will do, it will actually go and find all the number link puzzles in this book and apply the same styles. So if I click on confirm, now all of my puzzles will have the same look and feel as this one, like the same settings. And as you can see now, all our puzzles are basically black and white puzzles, including the solutions. Once you are happy with your book and you have actually created all of the pages, you can always do like save here so that you activate the export. And then when you click on export, you will be able to download your book and upload it to Amazon KDP. That's all I wanted to show you in this demo. It's how to create number link puzzles. And as you can see, we have a lot of different puzzles in our AM Magic. So please check out the other videos to learn more about the different puzzles and how to create books like end to end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.